Before watching the video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and ring the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. You won't need to use chemical pesticides because of this simple homemade garden fungicide to protect your plants from disease and keep pests away. It also works to control biting and chewing insects that are common killers of vegetables and garden plants. Additionally, it is effective at preventing of biting and chewing type of insects, which are frequent pests of vegetables and garden plants. You simply combine water, baking soda, and mild dish soap, preferably one that is biodegradable and free of phosphates. Just mix the ingredients together and pour the mixture into a spray bottle, then mist your plants frequently to promote healthy growth and bug-free development. And there is nothing in this solution that could be harmful to you, your family or your pets. When used in this way, baking soda shouldn't endanger flying pollinators or other beneficial insects that live in plants, like ladybugs. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.